guys, so welcome to the adventure. So a little different today. I'm on the top bunk. You guys know we don't really use a top bunk for sleeping, but it is a highly requested video. So a lot of you want to know how to use your bunk for multiple purposes. One, to sleep on, and two, for extra storage. So how have we come up with some systems? So we take out the mattress that comes in the truck. We take that out because it takes up too much room. And if you put anything on top of that mattress, it's just going to slide off while you're going. And so there is a lip and a tray on the top bunk, you know, to keep the mattress on there. But take that mattress out, even if you have to store it at home, or ask your company if they will just store it for you. And that allows you to put other things in here. So one thing that we added is this cabinet. And so you can put different kinds of cabinets in here. We decided to put it at an angle because we really don't climb up on the top bunk very much, but it allows you to go vertical with more storage. These totes are wonderful and you can fit a lot in them, which also makes it really, really nice to be able to take down onto the bottom bunk when you need to get stuff in it. Then we have some extra bedding for the bottom bunk. And then these plastic shoe boxes are another great thing. And if you notice, I have grippy stuff between each of these boxes and underneath this stuff because it really holds it in place. But one thing I need to add is put an eye hook from here to the bottom and put a bungee so that way it holds everything in place, because unfortunately, I just put this in here and I didn't think it all the way through, and this one will slide out while we're driving. Everything else stays in place. And then I use this as our laundry bag. And when we do our laundry, it's easy. It has these big handles, easy to take in and out, lightweight, and it's about one load of laundry. And normally for us, I'll keep it over here while we're driving, our shower bag. But even behind me, there is more space, so you could add some other things or reconfigure it. You could make this go flat against the wall. You could add an extra one of the freezers or refrigerators at the bottom of the bunk, because I know some of you are staying out on the road for 2-3 weeks or even 2 or 3 months, so you need some extra stuff. And so for the sleeping arrangements, you know, use the back wall on the bottom. Most of these people that are requesting this video are going to be wives that are under 5'5". So you don't really need the XL bunk. I can lay down and have room. I know I'm a little bit smaller of a person, but I definitely think there's still plenty of room to make it a multi-purpose. And so what I'm using is a mattress that goes to a lawn chair, but you can also use a cot mattress. You might need one, maybe two, but they are a lot thinner. They take up less room. And then the other thing is that you can fold it up and move it out of your way, tuck it in a corner. Some of you are just wanting this option because you might be getting to a shipper and you have some downtime, hubby sleeping, you don't want to wake him up to crawl in bed, and you just need a place to chill that's not in the driver's seat, and you might need a little nap. So making this arrangement makes it so much easier, so much more flexible, and just allows you to be more comfortable. You could get one of those body pillows to put behind you to sit back and lounge a little bit more. So be creative, guys. We're always encouraging you to be creative. And again, don't do damage. We did put screws into the bottom of it to hold this up. So this is all bracketed in. It's not moving. It's not going anywhere. So it is permanently fixed in, but it's just on the plywood on the bunk. So, you know, it's not really actually adding damage. And then also we have our coats hanging over here. So we got a hook, and it hooks over the top of this cabinet on this side, so we can hang our coats up and just continue to add more space. And of course, you can't forget the wallpaper. It just makes it feel a little bit more like a home. You guys, it's essential that you make your truck into a home, that you make it a permanent situation instead of a temporary situation. If you don't make this in a permanent lifestyle, in a permanent environment, you're not going to be able to make it. It's so tough. This job, you have to remember, is in the top 10 dangerous and deadliest jobs in the world. So that comes with a lot of stress. So anytime you can remove any stress from the equation, get more sleep, be more comfortable, enjoy the environment more, it's gonna help make it so that you can do this job better. All right, guys? So I hope this was helpful. Like I said, it's not to really sleep up here for an entire night's sleep every single night, but it gives you storage, it gives you more things. So I hope that this adds value to you guys, and it's encouraging to you guys, and that it helps fill the needs that you guys have. All right, so stay safe and enjoy the adventures. Bye.